Spotty Wi-Fi kills video calls, game sessions, and smart home routines. Mesh systems solve it by using multiple nodes to spread strong coverage across every floor, backyard, and dead zone. In this video to the best mesh networks, we compare Wi-Fi 6.6E7 speeds, tri-band versus dual-band backhaul, Ethernet options, real-world range, and latency under load. We'll also weigh setup apps, security updates, parental controls, and Internet of Things isolation, so you can pick a reliable, scalable system that just works today and years ahead. To find out more information and updated price of the products we have mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Without further delay, let's get started with the list. At number 5 on our list is the TP-Link Deco X55, our pick for best budget mesh network. If you want affordable whole-home Wi-Fi without sacrificing speed or reliability, the TP-Link Deco X55 is an easy win. You get Wi-Fi 6 dual-band coverage up to 6,500 square feet, so dead zones fade and streaming, gaming, and smart home control stay smooth across floors and far corners. You'll keep everything connected at once. A Deco X55 set can handle up to 150 devices: phones, tablets, smart TVs, cameras, printers, and consoles, without constant drops or buffering. The AI-driven mesh learns your layout and usage patterns, handing devices off between nodes so you can move through the house without losing a call or a match. You also have flexible wired options. Each unit includes 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, and wired Ethernet backhaul lets you link nodes with cables for even better stability and speed. Any Deco X55 can act as the main router, so placement is simple and upgrades later are painless. You stay in control with thoughtful features. Guest mode creates a separate network for visitors and Internet of Things gadgets, keeping your primary devices more secure. The app-based setup guides you step by step, and once you're online, management is straightforward. Check what's connected, pause Wi-Fi for dinner, or troubleshoot in seconds. You're getting a budget-friendly mesh that punches above its price: broad coverage, modern Wi-Fi 6 performance, plentiful Ethernet, and smart automation that keeps your network responsive day to day. Set it up once and enjoy consistent whole-home Wi-Fi. Up next in 4th place is the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro, our pick for best mesh network for Google Home users. If you want a mesh system that works seamlessly with Google Home and keeps your whole house fast and reliable, Nest Wi-Fi Pro is a strong pick. You get tri-band Wi-Fi 6E with 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and the new 6 GHz band, giving newer devices a cleaner, lower latency lane while everything else stays smooth on the familiar bands. You can cover large spaces with a 3-pack, up to 6,600 square feet, and tailor node placement to eliminate dead zones for streaming, gaming, and smart home routines. Nest Wi-Fi Pro continuously optimizes in the background, prioritizing video calls and speeding up page loads so you don't have to tweak settings. You stay in control from the Google Home app. Create a guest network in seconds, set parental controls, view what's connected, and pause Wi-Fi for focus time. Access point mode helps you integrate with existing wiring or advanced setups, while built-in security features help keep household devices safer. You should know it's designed for today's and tomorrow's devices. Nest Wi-Fi Pro uses Wi-Fi 6E and isn't compatible with older Google Wi-Fi or Nest Wi-Fi units. In return, you get a simpler, faster network that scales with new phones, laptops, and smart gear. You're choosing plug-and-play coverage, smart automation, and clean Google Home integration, so your network stays consistent at the edges of your home and easy to manage from anywhere. At number 3, we have Asus ROG Rapture GT6, our pick for best mesh network for gaming. If you want a mesh Wi-Fi that keeps ping low and throughput high, the Asus ROG Rapture GT6 is built for your games, streams, and smart home. You get Wi-Fi 6 tri-band with 160 MHz channels and a dedicated high-performance backhaul, so traffic between nodes stays clear while your devices see fast, consistent speeds up to 10,000 megabits per second in ideal conditions, without fighting for airtime. You'll cover bigger spaces with confidence. 9 internal antennas plus range boost, plus extend reliable coverage across up to 5,800 square feet, helping consoles, PCs, smart TVs, phones, and tablets stay connected through walls and floors. A 1.7 GHz tri-core processor keeps routing, quality of service, and security responsive when everyone is online at once. You also get serious wired flexibility. A 2.5 gigabits per second WAN port readies you for multi-gig internet, and LAN aggregation boosts sustained throughput for desktops, network-attached storage, or creator rigs. For competitive play, triple-level game acceleration prioritizes packets from your device all the way to the game server to minimize jitter and maintain a steady connection during peak hours. You're choosing a latency-aware mesh that pairs wide coverage with multi-gig readiness, so you can queue into matches, stream, and download updates without sacrificing stability anywhere in your home. At number 2 on our list is the Amazon Eero Pro 6e, our pick for best plug-and-play mesh network. If you want plug-and-play mesh Wi-Fi that's fast today and ready for tomorrow, the Amazon Eero Pro 6e fits the bill. You get Wi-Fi 6E with access to the new 6 GHz band for lower latency and less congestion, while older devices stay happy on 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. It's backward compatible with previous generation Eero units, so you can expand or mix systems without hassle. You'll see real-world speed and stability. TrueMesh intelligently routes traffic to reduce drop-offs and dead zones, keeping gaming, 4K streaming, and video calls smooth across your home. With support for network speeds up to 2.3 gigabits per second and a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port that enables gigabit plus internet plans, you're set for multi-gig service as it becomes available. You also cover more space and devices with less effort. A multi-pack can blanket up to 6,000 square feet and support 100-plus connected devices, phones, laptops, TVs, cameras, and smart home sensors without constant buffering or retries. Need wired reliability for a console or desktop? Use the Ethernet ports for a quick, stable link. You stay in control from anywhere. The Eero app walks you through setup in minutes, then lets you manage your network on the go. Check device status, share a guest network, or pause Wi-Fi for focus time. You're choosing an easy, reliable mesh that brings Wi-Fi 6E performance to every room and scales as your home and internet plan grow. And finally, the number 1 on our list is the TP-Link Deco XE75, our pick for best mesh network overall. If you want whole home Wi-Fi that's fast, stable, and low maintenance, the TP-Link Deco XE75 makes a strong case. You get Wi-Fi 6E tri-band coverage across up to 7,200 square feet, wiping out dead zones so streaming, gaming, video calls, and smart home devices stay responsive in every room. You benefit from the new 6 GHz band, which sidesteps congestion from older devices. Out of the box, 6 GHz serves as a dedicated backhaul, so traffic between Deco units stays steady. Prefer to connect your latest gear directly? Switch it to client mode and give Wi-Fi 6E laptops, phones, and consoles a clean, high-speed lane. You also unlock true tri-band performance, up to 5,400 megabits per second combined throughput, with capacity for roughly 200 devices. That means multiple 4K streams, cloud backups, cameras, and work apps can run in parallel without dragging down the network. You stay consistently connected as AI-driven mesh learns your layout and usage patterns, handing devices off smoothly as you move. Built-in quality of service lets you prioritize what matters: work meetings, competitive play, or family movie night, so latency stays low when it counts. You get next-gen Wi-Fi that grows with your devices, reduces interference, and keeps your network dependable. Set it up once and enjoy reliable, high-capacity coverage across your home. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which mesh network you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.